find after planting our wheat, we irrigate about 45 mils, and then after planting, we put in 23 mils just to germinate our wheat. So our wheat, after our wheat has germinated and is emerged, there's a process which we need to carry out, and this process here is to starve or withdraw water for 21 days. The idea of withdrawing water for 21 days is to make sure that the roots develop deeper. We had in our crop, and at the same time we are promoting tillering. So with tillering, you find that if we leave our wheat like this, you find at the end of the day, the wheat is going to, one plant is going to have more shoots. Because if you look at the plant population using the 120 kgs per hectare, it won't give you enough plant population. But if you now leave it for 21 days, more shoots are going to come out. You might get even 7 shoots. Sometimes you can get 12 shoots from one plant. We'll demonstrate that as our wheat is growing. So to enhance tillering, you can also come in with a smooth roller to roll your wheat. So once your wheat is rolled down, you find that it's going to encourage, because most of it will be disturbed here, and then it will grow more shoots out. So the rolling over emerged wheat, you find that is going to promote more tillering, hence increasing your plant population probably to 350,000 plants per hectare of your wheat. That way you find that you have also increased your yield. So really, after that operation, on the day 21, that's when we now come back with our post-emergence herbicide. We come back with our first top dressing, and we come back with our irrigation. So our irrigation, the first cycle we are going to put, it is the initial cycle of a true irrigation cycle, where we are now going to say from day 21 right up to physiological maturity, we'll be irrigating as per recommendations. I like the meter which determines the amount of moisture in. There are some other means which you can use, evapotranspiration pan, to calculate the water, the amount of water coming out of the soil and how much is remaining in, and when to come back with irrigation. So with that meter, you plug it in. There are two. One goes deeper, one on top or above. So the meters, they will be telling you how much moisture is in, how much moisture is up, so that at least it will tell you when to come back with your next cycle. So water application is very important, very critical, right up to physiological maturity, because that will determine the quality of your wheat and the yield of your wheat at the end of the day.